Well, everybody, welcome back to the woods. My name is Mike with MP Outdoors here, and yeah, another solo trip at a new location. Well, not a new location, but a new spot in one of the locations that I go to. I'm super excited. This is a new growth oak forest. That's all I see around here is oak, and I'm super excited. Found a good clearing. There's actually a few of them out here that I considered, but this one seems the best to me, and it's far enough from trail where I'm not gonna see anybody. I'm gonna have a little bit of peace, I think. And yeah, I'm excited. Very, very excited for this. Making a whole new camp and everything. So if you guys enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you want to see more. Oh, these mosquitoes are horrible, man. They're not even biting me, they're just in my face. Stupid things. Thought they all died. Well, first part of camp is complete. Putting up the tarp. It is 100% going to thunderstorm tonight. Possibly start raining at like 5 o'clock. So we got to get everything ready to go. Get a spot for a fire so we can cook and everything like that. And yeah, we got plenty of time though, so I'm not worried. Well, everybody, just taking a break. I got done with collecting a bunch of firewood. I should have enough. I think I might want some more medium-sized sticks, and I got a decent pile of really long dead oak. There's so much dead standing oak here. It's almost unfair, but this spot is really cool. I really like it, and the fact that everything's oak is just even better. Burns real good and real long. So I'm just gonna have a snack and maybe get a few more dead branches. Forgot my saw, so I can't cut anything, but we're making it work. We're making it work. Well, everybody, obviously we got the fire going, and right now we're just building a coal base because of what we're gonna have for dinner. It got a little sketchy there when the fire was first going because it got pretty big, and there's a bunch of dry leaves around here, like a lot of dry dead leaves, and it was a bit concerning, so I raked everything away, and I'm gonna try and ease the fire right now and just keep it as low as I possibly can. But today is a special day. We're having a special dinner, even if it is only one thing, but it's a bison ribeye steak. I'm super excited about this. I cannot wait to get into that. And then we got some good stuff for breakfast tomorrow. But yep, super excited about the bison ribeye steak. Never had one of those before, and I'm sure it's gonna be good. These here, as if they're grates, they're gonna burn, but yeah, it's fine. You guys probably can't even see me. Jeez. Just realized I have no plate, so this plastic that the steak's coming in will be a good plate. It's smoked out. Froze this before I came out here. 5 hours later, it is chill. And good to go. Get this thing flipped. Looks interesting. Alright, well, doesn't look pretty, but honestly it doesn't look bad either. It feels medium rare. Oh, we nailed it. Look at that. Perfect medium rare. It's kind of burning my fingers, so we're gonna eat it. I'm sweating like crazy. It's hot out, and that fire's hot, and this food's hot. So, but there we go. Bison ribeye. Looks incredible. Oh, it's so tender too. Sorry to talk with my mouth full, but that is so damn good. So juicy, so tender. Perfect medium rare. I love that charcoal flavor. I think like that is a way to cook steak. That is so good, man. Mmm. Well, everybody, that bison ribeye went down quick. I wish I had smell and taste division so I could share it with you guys, but it doesn't exist yet. But yeah, not much else to do. Pretty much got chores all done, got the food bag hung up, and just gonna wait until it gets dark. By that time it should be raining, and I guess it's gonna be a lot of rain. So this will be my first thunderstorm on a solo trip. Curious to how that will go. Hopefully I can sleep. That's all I care about. Just sleeping and not getting wet. We're not that far from the car. It's like maybe a 15-minute hike, so hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Well, just as I think it's not gonna rain, it starts raining. I don't know what to believe when it comes to these weather apps. They're all different. They all say different things, right? And they're all wrong in one way or another. So all they do is make me anxious. They're very good at that. Very good at making me anxious. Sounds a lot crazier when you're in a tent. I definitely do remember being in a tent during a thunderstorm with my family, but never by myself. So, and that was a tent with a frame too. This is just a bushcraft tent, so hopefully it holds up. We'll find out. Otherwise we're leaving pretty early. But yeah, just gonna relax, try and go to sleep with all this noise. See you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, folks. It is very dark, but that's because it's only 5 o'clock or 5:30 or something like that. Yeah, 5:30. So last night was pretty crazy. That storm was it was a good one. It was a doozy. It rained hard enough where the condensation in my tent started to mist me, like the rain was knocking the condensation down. Luckily, it didn't do it enough where we got wet, because that would have sucked. Everything stayed dry, we stayed warm, and yeah, I actually slept pretty good, slept pretty good. Not being able to hear anything but rain is kind of nice. So we got water on the fire right now to get coffee going, and then yeah, very happy that I decided to save up a bunch of dry sticks and wood and everything to start this fire this morning. And I'm excited for coffee. Well, what we're doing for breakfast is some English muffins with sausage patty and cheese. It's very difficult to try and film this and see at the same time. But these sausage patties are just fully cooked already. You can get them at the store. So I just got to heat it up in the fire and then it's good to go. Alright, well the first one's done, so let's give it a go. I just did a double stacker. We got some habanero, white cheddar. Ooh, that cheese is a little spicy. That is good though. Good camp breakfast, in my opinion. Well, everybody, we are back at the car. I wanted to pack up after breakfast and just get out of here because it is about to rain in an hour or so, and I don't want to be caught in another downpour and then have to take everything down. So, if you guys enjoyed that video and want to see more of these, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, and I will see you guys on the next adventure. And yeah, have a good one.